little flash flood right here in this creek that's pretty much dry. Washed down that rock, that tire with the rim in it. It's so heavy and it's just garbage. It was way up by the road and it filled in this whole section with all that. And there's a huge log in there. So our next project after to clean out that bridge section is this. And then we're probably going to try to divert some of these branches to go away from it so it doesn't pile up in front of the spring. And it's collapsing down on top of it. And it's going to do that. That's just natural. So water's coming out of that hole. So we may build some sort of a rock tunnel or something just to keep it from collapsing any further. And we're going to make the pipe come out a little bit better than what it is. So that's it. That's the trail to the spring.